Sanskriti Kolkata, and I'm Lalia. I'm so excited to show our latest collection of tie and dye bandhej sarees. Not waste time, I'll start with the first one, which is a stunning stunning Prussian blue. What a lovely, unique shade. I mean, it's so beautiful with woven leaf motif in silver and light gold. The color is a Prussian blue color. And see, it's all hand woven. You can see hand woven and also hand tie and dye. You can see the threads which has been done, used to tie each and every knot. Very, very beautiful sari. Weaving with bandhej, and here goes the gorgeous woven blouse piece. Sari number 1. Lovely piece. This is a woven silk chanderi with zari weave. Very, very unique sari. I don't know how it is such, range wise it looks very rich actually. One piece. Next is this Georgette bandhej saris. Polish required. If you want, I would suggest you just do half sari polish. We don't do half polish. If we are giving us to do the polish, then we will do full polish. But if you have anybody, your local, anybody or your anybody who does half polish, you can give them. This is red and black Georgette zari border with mirror work tie and dye bandhej. Those who don't want too much of work, just flowy Georgette saris with this lovely tie and dye, black and red. Gaji bandhej ghatchola saris. These are all original tie and dye. These are not the print ones. Gaji woven ghatchola with bandhej. इतना मेहनत गया है ये सब साड़ी में, इतना मेहनत. एक एक नॉट बांध के ये कॉन्सेप्ट बनाया है. Very rich colors, super fabric, rich look. Keeping in mind the festive season, we have come up with gorgeous combinations in our bandhej series. Look at this. We had launched this last year. Same time, few colors were made then with only 2 combinations of gaji in between. Now we are coming up with multiple colors, borderless, bandhej pallu, bandhej circular motifs throughout the sari, as well as the contrast bandhej blouse piece, and it has lakri patta. Color options, एक से बढ़कर एक colors. I'll show you right of colors that color therapy. Today's episode is on color therapy. Those who थोड़ा सा mood down है, आप इसको देखिए, आपका mood एकदम चुलबुली हो जाएगा. Rama, let me know how you are liking the videos. All made with love, handcrafted Sanskriti creations. We ship worldwide. Our address 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other branch 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Tailoring options available in both the branches, jewelry and menswear collection of variety of kurtas, dhotis, jackets in Cornfield Road branch. Something very different. This is a pure silk sari. Pure silk sari with clam dyeing and Rai Dana bandhej. Very, very unique concept. Let me know how you liked it. First time did it. This is the result of my recent Rajasthan trip. Just experimented with this. It had rains, but still I वहाँ पे रुक कर पहला दिन ये वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट किया. थर्ड डे आई वेंट एंड सॉ द effect. Of course, I couldn't see that bandhej, but this it is done in parts. It's a beautiful process. I love this concept of this pallu clam dyeing along with Rai Dana bandhej and blouse piece. I just could check the color of the border, and now when I received it with the Rai Dana, I loved it. Just loved it. Color option, pure Habutai silk with very premium quality silk with this lovely concept of clam dyeing. Sanskriti Kolkata's latest tie and dye collection, and you will love it. Unique, uncommon, and before the, I don't know how long it will be uncommon, but I'm loving showing the inaugural options. Introductory options from Sanskriti Kolkata. Leheria in organza. Leheria in organza in a beautiful biscuit shade. Lightweight. Sleek border. Summer party wear. With this superb thread work blouse piece. Classy. Simple concept, but color combination, the pattern, the subtleness of the whole look will be very, very beautiful. Now I'll quickly show you the color options in this so that you can give me some options. No phone calls, only with WhatsApp booking. 7603042696 is the booking number. First come, first serve basis, no returns. So see the video properly. And I'm showing you, if you want more details of the product, please feel free to contact the given numbers. After payment, send your payment details to only one number where you've got the booking. Heavily embroidered tussar blouse piece. Love this. Love this. Every color is gorgeous color, royal colors, because Pujo is almost here and we are up with our festive collection Sanskriti Kolkata. From August 3rd, we will be keeping open every day 10 o'clock in the morning to 8:30 at night, Sundays open. Video call options available, tailoring unit operational till the mid-September for the blouses you need before the Pujo. This is beautiful. Every color is gorgeous. Now some pure silk leheria. By the way, I just showed you, I was so excited showing you the new collection. I should have shown you the reverse side of the organzas all complete with fall like this. The three leheria colors that I showed all complete with silk fall. Okay, I should have shown it anyway, so I'm just showing you in this. You can understand this is such a royal color, beautiful Rani and red color combination with handwork border and blouse piece in rich red pure silk. If you have anniversary, or you can stock this for Diwali also. The richness of silk is giving the brightness in the color. All handwork, hand tie and dye. Color options in this pure silk leheria with handwork, gota patti, moti work. Orange and red color combination. Our short videos in Sanskriti Kolkata, you'll get budget friendly collection and more. So watch out our Instagram reels and short videos. The Jamir Lane branch, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. You can visit the branch for budget friendly collection as well as for gifting purpose sarees. Menswear jewelry in 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. For extra services, please give us time. Send the screenshot of the payment to the number where you've got the booking. Video call options possible after 10:30. We open at 10. So 10:30 to 7:30 in the evening, we are okay for video calls. We'll give you the number. Tailoring orders accepted. These are all pure Dupion silks with handwork and very pretty, sleek, rich border. Since the border is so gorgeous, we've kept the border very sleek, but we've given very neat, fine work. Complete finished with fall, so just ready to wear. The sarees have small buttas. Colors are vibrant colors. Even I'm wearing one of these. This is the Poppin blue and Firoza. It just feels out of the blue. And here is the mala, double line mala, where the side pendant is here without a earring. 2990 is the mala. Just wear a stud. I have not worn anything. I've got metal allergy, so I avoid wearing anything in the ear, and I hate it. I love wearing big jhumkas, but anyway, you can wear just a stud when you're wearing this, or you can wear anything. And the price of this is 12,900. My sari price 12,900, pure Dupion with handwork and again complete with fall. Now I have another Dupion silk in hot pink. Hot pink. Here is the reverse side of the sari. All handwork, pitanzari and gota with tiny mirror work. Hot pink color with blouse piece. See the amount of work. The whole blouse piece is with thread work. Now I'll show you the blouse in details. ऐसा एक ब्लाउज हो तो आपका प्रॉब्लम आसान. कितना सुंदर इसका सारा ब्लाउज में काम है. फ्रंट, बैक, स्लीव्स, योक, lovely piece. And we have some more rich work. This comes with a heavy pallu. Superb. Dupion silk, pure Dupion silks with 3 colors. Now if you follow, first we had shown like the one that I am wearing, 2 colors, and of course the base color, the white. This also has 2 colors. In between the pink that I showed, 1 color dye. Now this leheria has again 2 color, pink and purple. 12,900. This is the reverse side finishing. heavy pallu, and blouse piece. I was so scared. I mean, since I do not just pick up the sarees, most of the sarees of Sanskriti Kolkata made to order, custom made with the karigars. Hence, I was so skeptical because these are the ones that are given, and in between there was monsoon. Monsoon में color अच्छा बैठता नहीं है, but I'm so lucky I got such rich, gorgeous colors. I'm so happy. क्योंकि ये तो जैसे हम आपका रिटर्न नहीं लेते, मेरा भी ये कारीगर रिटर्न नहीं लिया, क्योंकि ये हमारे लिए ही बनाया है. तो यूनिकनेस रखने के लिए ये थोड़ा सा रिस्क तो लेना ही पड़ेगा, ये इन्वेस्टमेंट मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा. बट आई एम हैप्पी विथ what I got. I'm very, very happy, and it's good that when I'm happy to see the sari in front of me, it gives me more confidence when I show it to you. This is the border. Something new again, Sanskriti Kolkata. Shibori and bandhej in desi tasar, zari border, handwork pallu. This pallu is just beautiful. It comes with applique, lambani, katha work, totally handmade, handwork, with again another heavy blouse piece. Range wise, very, very beautiful sari with 3-4 types of concepts in this. Beautiful. Pure Georgette Lehariya for that Bollywood look. Color neon green with crepe blouse piece. This is with Pitan Zari, pure Georgette, scallop embroidery. Price of this is 10,800. Color option is this red and yellow. Please do visit our stores. Our staffs will be more than happy to show you our collection. We are celebrating 30 years of Sanskriti. Now I'll show something which is all bandhej in monotone. Rai Dana bandhej in pure silk. Look at the bandhej done. It's so beautiful. I suggest you just iron the pallu part and just polish the half sari. This is just stunning. This will be the pallu. Rai Dana bandhej in amazing motif. Price 11,900 in pure silk. The circular pattern will be in the pallu, and body all over comes with this blouse piece, that too in bandhej. This, and wear it with your gold or silver jewelry. This style and color combination is 100% perfect. Very, very beautiful, very pretty sari. Very, very pretty sari. You will get the get up. You'll understand the get up once you drape this. कितना सुंदर इसमें राई दाना बंधेज हुआ है पूरा साड़ी में, even including the border is so nice. And we have the other color, pink color. 300 rupees polish charge if you want us to polish the whole sari. 11,900, and here is the blouse piece. Superb sari, superb. It's lightweight, it's soft, it's feminine, it's beautiful. All these are very unique and different type bandhej in pure handloom fabric. Then I'll show you some dupattas. Gajji bandhej dupatta with lakri patta. Gajji bandhej dupatta with lakri patta, 21A. All rich colors. Just beautiful. Two colors. Now the one that the doll is wearing, the Gajji Ghatchola bandhej in royal blue and red. Price 7,800, pure Gajji silk Ghatchola with bandhej, 7,800. These are all bridal collection. Very beautiful silk Ghatcholas. Now again fusion from our bandhej katha. Tussar bandhej with katha. Just out of the world colors I'll show you. Hand bandhej pure tussar with blouse piece. The blouse piece, the border and the blouse will be there, but one thing is, itna sara raidana bandhej hua hai, I request you to just cut the border, let the sari be big and let it be a bit crushed in the achol part, and just attach a virgin color fabric and attach the border. It will give a very good look actually. And let the pallu be crushed, just iron the border and the pallu, katha part, not this part. Yeah, it's maybe I'm just visualizing the look. Now look at this color. Lovely earthy color, pastel, beautiful. And even the work in the border is so nice, subtle, sober color combination. Oh, you have to open the blouse piece, so it's good. The blouse piece is attached in this. Previous bandhej katha all sold out. So these are our new collection, all fresh, festive collection. Katha done in Bengal, bandhej in Rajasthan. So you can imagine, मेरा ये ट्रांसपोर्ट में अराउंड पर साड़ी में 2-3 बार आना जाना, समझा? उसमें भी ऐड हुआ है, उसका अमाउंट आई हैव एडेड इन दिस. This is lovely. इसका प्राइस शायद ज्यादा ही होगा उससे. Yes. Now look at the bandhej pattern. Those were just Raidana bandhej, but all over. It didn't follow a pattern. Here we have a floral jal pattern, and the border is lambani. So इसका range ज़्यादा होगा. Silk tussar sari. Body color is not black, it's dark coffee blackish coffee. Very beautiful साड़ी. ये पैटर्न वाला जो है, this is in Gajji silk. Very beautiful lambani with lakri patta pallu and blouse piece. This mala will look nice in this also. The mala price is $2990. Number 27, another lovely combination in Gajji Bandhej Katha Lakri Patta. This dark magenta wine color with pista border. Beautiful, isn't it? Just super. I'm so happy, Sanskriti Kolkata. These fusion are classic fusion collection of Bandhej with Katha. You know, when I give this Bandhej to the Bengal workers, they are so excited to try out these new stuffs. And then when I send Katha stitch sarees to Rajasthan to do the tie and dye, they are also so impressed with the work. So it's kind of promoting an art of each state to each other. Different states ka art और उसका खूबिया, उसका जो the USP of सब state का जो pride होता है ये handcrafted garments में, वो सबको the karigars, when they see, because they are mainly from the remote villages, so they are so excited to see ऐसे होता है, ऐसा कितना सुंदर इसका काम. They just look like this. So it's so nice, and these are the things, these are the feelings that I really enjoy. The bottle green with this mustard yellow color, again a handwork lambani work with zari pallu, blouse piece. These are Gajji silks, and these follow a pattern in the Bandhej, so these take time, hence the charge will be more than the ready dot ones. Next, since it's on tie and dye, our sarees today collection is on unique Bandhej. So here we have something absolutely stunning in tussar. A gorgeous woven tussar with this concept pallu. So even after few irons it will be like this. Lovely woven buttas, no join. Half the sari has, see here is where the pleat is. This is how the shibori has been done, and this is the blouse piece. So those who are more than 5'8" tall may need to add fabric on the top, because this has been tie and dye and there is clamping of fabric. So those who are very tall, very tall, they may need, I won't need. After my heels, I'm now 5'7". I'm 5'4" with 3-inch heel. So it's 5'7". I won't need. But if you're more than 5'7" height, you may need. But it's a very stylish sari. Here is the pallu, 11,900. Very innovative concept. Color option is this peach. Always we try to come up with something or the other. Blouse piece. Very stylish. Sanskriti Kolkata. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe to our channel.